Hi guys, Leif here, your Daddycorder, back again with another video. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to Daddycorder TV, where stay home dad is a thing and just doing my thing. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing a DIY project for my outboard motor that I bought a few days ago, and I wanted to put it on a stand to make it easier to access with. So let's get to it. Okay, before we build the stand for this motor, this is the motor that I got. We're gonna be using this motor for our new cabot. I haven't opened this yet. I got it maybe 30 days ago. Because of family matters about COVID, I didn't open it yet because we're dealing with a stressful problems at home, back home in the Philippines. But now everything's cleared out. We can go back to regular programming. This is the motor again. It's a 5 horsepower Honda. It's a brand used motor. That's what we call it. Okay, got it for cheap. So me and my kids, or hopefully my wife, will join us to go fishing. We've been preparing this for like 2 years. The kayak's still here and some junk all over the place. Need to clean up the garage. And we're gonna be using those 2x4s there to create a quick outboard stand for this motor. Motor came with the fuel tank as well. Okay guys, we're just gonna hit and swing with this build. I'm gonna be just measuring, cutting the wood, and then building it. No plans at all, because I don't know what I'm doing. I just watch a lot of YouTube videos on DIY outboards, and it seems like it's easy, it's straightforward, so I'll try my best to do my version of it. Okay, right now, this outboard is a short shaft, meaning this is the shaft, and because it's short, it measures from here to this, I don't know what they call it, a cavitational plate or something. From there is 15 inches. From this part that you need to clamp on should be 15 up to here. And down from 15 going down to the bucket, and the total stand should be 27. So we're gonna measure 27 less inch and a half for the thickness of the 2x4. So let's get that. 25 and a half. Now for the base, I'm just gonna go use 40 inches. So we're gonna cut 2 of those. I thought we're not gonna use the big machines like this, but I need to cut a 45-degree angle on this one to support the stand. For this one here, I'm gonna be bracing this. That's the upright. And then, hold up, there's the base. I'm gonna be bracing it like that. Like so, like that one here. So I need to cut a 45 here and the other end too. So you can brace that up. It's gonna be the upright there, and then the bottom, and then this, the one that I'm talking is to put a 45 there to support. Big one here and possibly one small one here. This is how we're gonna look like one side, and then we put the outboard motor there, and the weight is towards there. That's why I have longer base on this side. Okay, for now we're done with the cutting, so I'm gonna try to look for screws. I think I have some spare screws over there that I'm gonna use and clean that up. But first I'm gonna pick up my son. Our duty to pick up the kid and maybe play some basketball after that, because that's how our schedule works. I don't know with that guy, guys. That big dog wants to learn how to play basketball, so we need to share or maybe transfer our knowledge about basketball. I'll see you guys. Here I got my big boy got picked up in school, and now we're going to play basketball, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is our home court, right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Did you hydrate?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Okay, this is Easter's home court. You need to put your ponytail, bro. Nice. You just missed. Okay, this is Easter's home court. Sky's blue. It's just windy, but we can still play. So let's teach this kid how to play basketball. Alright guys, this is the final or semi-final stand. I put this down there for future casters. I'll put casters on there so it's easy to push. And then I didn't put another brace here because it's really sturdy for this tiny outboard. I think that's enough. And plus this one, without this one, there's only like less than an inch touching the ground. So this will make it even higher, so it doesn't bang with this one here, so this thing doesn't bang on the bucket. And what else? If I put casters, it's gonna go a little bit higher. So it's gonna be perfect when you put the bucket over there. Okay, that's how it looks like. And when you put it down, that, and it's all the way down there. This is what I'm talking about. It went a little bit higher. Now it's perfect. And so Okay. Now, let's say you want to put the bucket. Need to put the bucket first. Down. And then put it down. So now you can fill the water. Then test it out. That's how it's gonna be. Okay, that's how it looks like with the motor, the bucket, and see the water level. And you fill this up. It's all submerged here, and then here the 2x4 is sufficient enough to clamp onto this one. I thought I needed the 2x6s, but 2x4 is enough. Plus it's really sturdy. I don't need to put another brace there. And this one made a difference because it squared off the whole platform. And now we have a nice place for it, nice spot, and we can clean it up. Okay, I added one 2x4 on this part here, this one here, so I can put the gas tank at the back. So once I put the casters here, there's a platform for the gas tank. Fits well. I didn't even measure that it's gonna fit in there, but it fits perfectly. So that's one thing, and I think that's it. That's my DIY outboard stand. Here's our finished product. Simple but effective. There's nothing much to it. That's how we do it. That's about it for today, guys. Sorry for not uploading so soon because we've been busy in school. I have 2 kids. The first one is half day, so it means I need to pick up the kid after 2.5 hours. Is it 2.5 hours or 3 hours? And then right after that, after lunch, like we played, right? We played basketball after school. So after that, we take lunch. A few hours of work over here. I thought I'm not gonna finish it, but we managed to do so. And then right after that, I went back to school and picked up my daughter. So that's how the regular days work. So one more week, I guess they still have next week for their last school. So right after that, we're gonna have more time to finish up some stuff here at home, outside, inside. And I told you before, summer is almost here, so we're gonna be opening that one. Maybe we can do an unboxing for the cabot. This is the Mars cabot, a 15-foot kayak boat. And then we're gonna use this outboard motor for that one. Maybe we will learn how to fish, to crab, to whatever it brings us. So join us for that one. So if you're still not subscribed in this channel, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss out for the future videos. And I think that's about it.